Ready to unlock a new era of transactions for your online business by accepting cryptocurrency directly on your WordPress site? First, we need to find the right tool. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins, and select Add New. In the search bar, type in a trusted cryptocurrency payment gateway plugin. We'll use Coin Payments as our example, but other excellent options exist. Click Install Now. Once installed, click the Activate button to bring the plugin to life on your website. Now, the crucial part: integration. You'll need to create an account with your chosen cryptocurrency payment provider to get your unique API keys. This usually involves generating a public and private API key. Head back to your WordPress site and find the activation settings for your new crypto plugin. You'll see fields to input these API keys. Carefully copy and paste your public and private keys from your payment provider into the designated fields. Next, we enable the currencies you want to accept. Most plugins allow you to choose from a wide range of popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and many more. Select the ones that suit your business and customer base. If you're using WooCommerce for your store, you'll typically find your new crypto payment gateway listed within the WooCommerce payment options. Ensure it's enabled and configured to appear at checkout. And that's it. You've successfully integrated cryptocurrency payments. Now your customers can securely and seamlessly check out using their favorite digital currencies, expanding your reach and embracing the future of online commerce.